Here we are in the kitchen, and today we're making glass noodle salad. First we're going to add some shoyu to our mixing bowl and some apple cider vinegar. Our dressing today will also be acting as a marinade. We've got some raw cane sugar, and we're going to add some raw cane sugar to the mix. And then we're going to mix it up. And we want to make sure when we mix up the sugar that we get all the little fine chunks completely dissolved, just so that we don't have to find them later. Slicing up a lime, and we're going to give that lime a nice juice. Squeezing it up. And a little more stir up. And a taste check. Adding some ground black pepper and Hawaiian salt. And some blue agave syrup. And we're going to stir that up. A little more taste check. Removing all the fibers off the back of the celery stalks just so that we don't have to chew them later. And peeling the outer skin off our carrot. Slicing half a cucumber and then giving it a Julienned chop. And then we're going to add that cucumber to the mixing bowl. Also giving our celery a julienne. And also we're going to give the carrot. And once we got the carrot finished, we're going to add that to the mixing bowl. Giving all of our veggies in the bowl a quick little stir up. Agave tofu. And this is a sheet of agave tofu that we've cut in half. We're going to go ahead and fire up a dry skillet and throw our agave in the skillet just so that we can get the outside of the agave nice and crisp. Okay, and we're going to take our crisp agave tofu and slice that up as well. And then we're going to add the tofu to the veggie mix in the bowl. And we're going to pop that into the fridge for about 30 minutes to marinate. And here comes the glass noodle, aka cellophane noodle, aka Mung thread. It's a type of vermicelli, not to be confused with rice vermicelli. This one's made from the mung bean. And we're going to drain the water from the noodles and rinse them in cold water. We're going to give it 3 slices. And then we're going to break out our marinated veggies from the fridge in the mixing bowl and add our glass noodles. And we're going to mix them in. And the longer they stay in the marinade, the stronger the flavor. Looking good. Another little pinch of Hawaiian salt and ground black pepper. Final shot of apple cider vinegar and some sesame oil. A final mix. Glass noodle salad. Easy, fresh, crisp, nice colors. This is so nice and healthy. No frying, no oils. Gonna chop up a little fresh cilantro to add as our garnish and some roasted sesame seeds. And we're good to go. Glass noodle salad. Enjoy. Mahalo for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the kitchen soon. Aloha.